Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to connect MetaMask and place a trade on dYdX. Head over to dYdX.trade and hit Connect Wallet. Select MetaMask from the list and approve the connection request in the wallet, which is free to sign. The next step is to deposit funds, so click on Deposit here. And in this pop-up window, select the desired blockchain and token for the deposit. Enter the amount and select the deposit speed. Once everything has been double-checked, hit Deposit Funds and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Once the funds arrive, the account is ready to place a trade. So choose one of the 200 plus markets available on dYdX and head over to the order panel here. Select Buy for a long position or Sell for a short position. Pick an order type and enter the trade size. Adjust the leverage if needed and hit Place Order. Once the order is filled, the open position will appear here under this Position tab. For a deeper dive into the dYdX platform, including explainers on different order types and walkthroughs of advanced features, check out the dYdX YouTube channel, which has a ton of content covering everything the platform has to offer.